Odisha is all set to begin its paddy procurement drive from tomorrow, November 25, with the state government setting higher targets than last year to ensure smooth collection from farmers across the state. Mandis have been upgraded with essential facilities including food, drinking water and toilets, while meal owners have been directed to ensure timely transport to paddy to avoid delays. Officials have been instructed to monitor the process closely and resolve key issues immediately after Mandi is open. The state government is also keeping a strict watch on threshing and winnowing to maintain quality and fairness in procurement. Authorities have indicated that the impact of the approaching depression and low pressure induced rainfall is expected to be limited with only minor potential damage. Still, preparations are in place to address any eventuality. Odisha's Co-Cooperation Minister Pradeep Bal Samanta confirmed that a target of 10 to 15 lakh tons has been set and all logistical arrangements including food and sanitation at mandis have been finalized. Suresh Pujari added that the state is actively monitoring weather systems in the South Andaman Sea and remains fully prepared to respond swiftly to any emergency. Farmers and authorities alike are gearing up for a smooth and secure procurement season.
टार्गेट आपणकर गत वर्ष अपेक्षा आहरी 10 लाख टन कि 15 लाख टन अधिक आशा मंडी चाषी मान खाया व्यवस्था कराई टॉयलेट व्यवस्था आपणकर मिल मालिक एथर टाइट कराई ठीक समय केमती गाड़ी पहुंचे सब प्रकार जमी व्यवस्था करा किंतु तापर भी देखिए समस्त तीक्ष्ण नजर रही केमी सुचारू रूपे धान उठा चाषी मानकर से व्यवस्था सरकार शत चेष्टा कर ठीक भाव करने तेणु कार्यान्वित मंडी खोलला सुविधा जहाँ संगे समाधान करा।